The FCC is now investigating companies suspected of selling drones and cameras that may contain rebranded DJI technology. The agency recently moved against 8 companies selling drones, cameras, and related gear in the US. Let's explore which companies they're after and what this means overall. The 8 companies are Cogito Tech, Ficoxo Technology, Lino Dynamics, Sky High Tech, Spatial Hover, SZ No Act Robot, Wavego Tech, and Extra Technology. Some of the more recognizable names are Cogito Tech, the Hong Kong-based company behind the Specta Air and Specta Mini drones, and SZ No Act Robot, which is the company behind the Skyrover drone brand. Now, the FCC hasn't officially ruled that Specta drones or any of the other products under investigation are secretly DJI products in disguise. But according to FCC documents, a security researcher found equipment from these companies using the same proprietary communication protocol as technology already sitting on the FCC's covered list. That raised an obvious question. Were some of these just covered products being sold under a different company name? So the FCC sent each company a formal letter of inquiry asking who actually manufactured the equipment, what components were inside it, and whether it was being marketed here in the US. The companies allegedly never answered, so the FCC has now proposed a $25,000 fine against each one. That distinction matters, though. Right now, those fines are about not cooperating with the investigation. They aren't proof that the FCC has confirmed these were illegal, rebranded DJI imports. For drone pilots, none of this makes DJI or Specta drones illegal to own or fly today. What it does show is that if a drone runs on tech tied to something already on the covered list, slapping a new brand name on it may not be enough to dodge scrutiny. And that could make life a lot harder for DJI-Linked tech or anything that looks connected to DJI trying to get into the US market under a different name. Let us know what you think about this situation in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.